knock the fuck out. This nigga decides to come in here and go sleep in the living room. Yeah, fucking dickhead. But this nigga stomach is growling, about to cook him some hamburgers. Call it a day. Deuces.